Swartz Creek Family Farm and Home. This is actually it's our whole concrete crew. We run 6 to 7 guys on our concrete crew full time. That's all these fellas do right here. These guys are at the point they've been working together for a long time. They do a good job. Tearing out approximately 600 square foot, 8 inches, replacing it today. Job like this, we'll just bring one dump truck in. If it's something a little bit bigger, we'll put 2 guys in trucks and haul on something like this. So it's just a load and a half. So we'll have just one of our trucks haul this out of here. So we're running light today. We got 2 other jobs after this that we're going to be doing locally, some manhole work. So we're trying to travel as light as possible today. That's Asphalt Management, Swartz Creek, Michigan, 2017.